day everyone. Welcome back to Sir Jonas tutorial. Our topic for today is about the slope of a line. Slope of a line is the steepness of a line, also commonly known as rise over run. The slope is calculated by dividing the change in the y value between 2 points over the change in the x value. We have four types of slope. The first one is positive slope. If a line goes up from left to right, its slope is positive. Also, we have a negative slope. When a line goes down from left to right, the slope is negative. And if a line is horizontal, the slope is zero. And if the line is vertical, the slope is undefined. Again, so when a line goes up from left to right, the slope is positive. When a line goes down from left to right, the slope is negative. If a line is horizontal, the slope is zero. And if a line is vertical, the slope is undefined. Formula of slope. Slope is denoted as small letter m and is equal to rise over run. To explain that, let's say we have 2 points on the Cartesian plane. If we connect these 2 points, we can create a straight line. To determine the rise, that is the vertical line. And to determine the run, that is the horizontal line. Now we have the rise and run. All we have to do is divide them. Also, you can use the upper part of the line. The vertical line is the rise and the horizontal line is the run. Again, to determine the slope, all you have to do is divide them. That is rise divided by run, or rise over run. We have another formula, and we read this as y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Let's say we have 2 points, the red point and the violet point. The coordinates of red point is red x and yellow y. And the coordinates of violet point is violet x and blue y. Now to make it easier, just write two numbers, 1 and 2 in horizontal position. And under each number, write the coordinates of the points. Let's say under 1, we're going to write the coordinates red x and yellow y. And under 2, we're going to write the coordinates of violet x and blue y. But the coordinates can interchange. If you want to write the violet x and blue y under 1 and the red x and yellow y under 2, it's still okay. But for this example, under 1, that is the red x and yellow y. And under the number 2, we have violet x and blue y. Now all we have to do is write a subscript of a number where the coordinates belong. So now we have x sub 1 and y sub 1 under the number 1, and x sub 2 and y sub 2 under the number 2. Now all we have to do is use the formula y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So our y sub 2 is the blue y. Let's write that first. Minus y sub 1, our y sub 1 is the yellow y. And for the denominator, our x sub 2 is the violet x minus x sub 1, our x sub 1 is the red x. That's how we use the formula y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Again, we only use this formula if the given are 2 points. Now let's evaluate. Try to answer the following questions. It is the steepness of a line, also commonly known as rise over run. The correct answer is slope. Next question. What is the slope if a line goes up from left to right? The correct answer, positive slope. Another question. What is the slope if a line goes down from left to right? The correct answer, negative slope. Another question. What do you call the slope of a vertical line? The correct answer, undefined slope. Next question. What do you call the slope of a horizontal line? The correct answer is zero slope. Next question. The slope of a line is denoted as what letter? The correct answer is small letter m. Next question. Given a line, what is the formula of slope? The correct answer, rise over run. Given 2 points, what is the formula of slope? The correct answer, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And that's all for the slope of a line. Next topic, we're going to determine the value of the slope